My Google Wi-Fi is one of the best pieces of tech that I own, but it does frustrate me when it starts to blink orange for some reason. Fortunately, I have found why my Google Wi-Fi is blinking orange and the possible fixes to this issue, which I'll be detailing in this video. So stay tuned throughout this video. Welcome to Bling Bling. Let's get started. When the lights on your Google Wi-Fi blinks orange or yellow, it's trying to convey that it can't access your internet. This blinking orange or yellow indication is the same across all Google Wi-Fi products, from the newer Nest Wi-Fi Pro to the Google Nest Wi-Fi or even the older gen Google Wi-Fi. It can be due to a variety of reasons, and I'll be taking you through each and every fix that you can implement in order to get over this issue. But one fix that you absolutely need to perform and which you can do right away is to click on that subscribe button so that you can gain access to our troubleshooting guides and plenty of smart home content. If you use an old Ethernet cable to connect your Google Wi-Fi to your modem, then chances are that this might be the culprit to your issue. Ethernet cables are pretty durable, even the ones provided by Google in the box. But it is susceptible to wear and tear just like any other commodity. So check your cables for any noticeable wear and replace them if you notice any permanent bends or ruptures. I recommend you get your cables from a reputed brand and make sure that it is rated to support the Wi-Fi speeds according to your internet plan. The newer Cat 6 cables should work wonders with your Google Wi-Fi setup. Just make sure to not get the older Cat 2 or Cat 3 cables. Now that you have sorted out any hardware issues with your setup, let's move on to ensuring that your internet end is not clogged up. The best way to proceed with this is to first contact your internet service provider, or ISP for short, to get your internet checked first from their end. Or you can use your stock router provided by your ISP connected to your modem and check if you can access the internet. If you can confirm that this is in fact an issue with your internet, then get that patched up first with the help of your ISP in order to fix your issues with your Google Wi-Fi blinking orange. Now, there is one other possibility why your Google Wi-Fi is blinking orange that I would like to talk about. You see, Google has enabled their Wi-Fi routers to pulse yellow or orange light when it's in the process of performing a factory reset. But unless you're pressing down on the reset button, your Google Wi-Fi shouldn't be blinking orange or yellow lights. So this can potentially mean that there is something triggering the reset button on your Google Wi-Fi, maybe a speck of dust that's accidentally toggling the button. So clean the base of the router properly where the reset button is located. If you're still facing issues after cleaning the base, then it's highly possible that the reset button might be jammed. In such cases, it's best to directly contact Google and get a certified technician to come take a look at your issue. And that's pretty much all I have for you in this video. If you have further queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll be sure to help you out. You can also check out a comprehensive guide on the topic from our website blingbling.com, which I've made sure to plug in the description below. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart home content.